In this video, I'll explain you how to configure the IP address on your iPhone so that you can connect to the handheld device. So once you have connected the lightning cable to your iPhone, go to settings, go to Ethernet, go to Belkin Ethernet adapter, and here you have to configure IP as manual, and in the IP address you have to put 192.168.100.5. You can put any number except for 24 in this 5 field. I have put 5, you can put 6 as well, except for 24. And in the subnet mask you have to put 255.255.255.0 and then hit save. Now click on back settings. Now open the web browser, and in the web browser type in https smartreader .rfrain.com / zone manager / mobile app / login.php and hit enter. Once you hit that, now you have to put your email address and password as well as your company name and sign in. You can allow your location, hit allow, and here you will see the status of your reader, the power source and the battery level. If you click on this menu button, you can go into configurations. Here you can set up the reader name, group name, as well as the power level. The scan time is the time for how much time you want reader to run in scan tags. You can select your region. You can select the target as well. And here in the scan tags, you can give the location name, whatever you want to give. And if you hit start, it will start scanning the tags. Once you hit start, it will start for 60 seconds, whatever the scan time you have set. So you will see the tags which are being read here. You can stop in between as well. Once the reader has stopped, you can check all the details regarding the tag. You can get the GPS location as well. And then we have Wi-Fi. You can connect to any wireless network. First, I'll disconnect the Wi-Fi network. And then if you hit enable Wi-Fi network, and then you click on scan available Wi-Fi networks. Here it will give you the list of all the available networks. You click on this green icon, join, and then you will put the password. Hit apply. It will take few seconds to join the Wi-Fi connection. Once the connection is established, this IP address 10.1.10.168, you can use this IP address to connect wireless to this handheld device. And then you can go to sync data. Here you can start DB sync so that your data in the handheld will get synced into your cloud account. It shows the heartbeat as well as the data sent. And you can log out from the device. Click on log out and hit OK. Thank you.